Thank you for viewing this slide presentation from Composite Energy Technologies located in Bristol, Rhode Island. Along with a brief corporate overview, this presentation will provide the viewer with information regarding the SBIR for manufacturing advanced composite structures and vessels at or near the point of use for unmanned systems. This SBIR topic is designed to provide the warfighter a means to rapidly produce and deploy advanced carbon fiber structures such as pressure vessels close to where they are needed. Bracketry and other payload-specific items may also be produced using this capability. Composite Energy Technologies, commonly referred to as CET, pioneered the use of prepreg carbon fiber for Grand Prix racing boats early in the 1970s. This forever changed the landscape of competitive sailboat racing around the world. Capitalizing on the unique characteristics of carbon fiber and the very high strength-to-weight ratio a carbon composite structure provides, our founder Eric Gertz crafted some of the fastest and most durable boats for the America's Cup and Volvo Ocean racing campaigns. In 2010, CET used the data and experience gained over decades of designing and manufacturing carbon fiber ocean-going vessels to develop autonomous surface and subsurface vessels for the U.S. Department of Defense. Proving the technology translated well to the demanding undersea environment, CET designed, built, and delivered a 26-foot large unmanned underwater vessel with a monocoque carbon fiber hull in just under a year. A second 26-foot vessel was delivered shortly after, with a 19-foot version using the same tooling following in the summer of 2022. Operating out of a 45,000 square foot engineering and production facility, CET continues to advance the science and practical application of carbon fiber technologies in the deep ocean environment. PMS 406 has outlined the Navy's strategy in deploying unmanned surface and subsurface vehicles with the goal of improving and maintaining the United States' competitive advantage in the naval environment. CET is supporting ONR, RDSA, NUIC in a number of the Tier 1 and Tier 2 prime contractors to accelerate the design and delivery of carbon fiber vehicles and pressure vessels. This capabilities-based approach has focused on solving complex problems through a robust design, build, test, and iterate cycle that allows solutions that meet the needs of the warfighter to be rapidly deployed. Over the past decade plus, CET has pioneered the use of carbon fiber and other laminates in support of the Navy's strategy for unmanned vessels, just as Eric and his team did for Grand Prix sailing in the early 70s. Based on the expertise built over decades of leading-edge development in advanced composites, CET has begun the process of developing design principles and manufacturing processes that can be used to streamline the design, production, deployment loop in a sustainable way, using the most advanced finite element analysis modeling available for composites, coupled with research done in conjunction with Johns Hopkins, URI, and Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute. It allows CET to quickly and confidently design structures and vessels that meet the unique demands of the undersea environment. Using newly developed materials and increasingly available production methods, such as additive manufacturing, CET can translate from requirements to solution in months rather than what has typically taken years. As both material and additive manufacturing technologies advance, the design deployment cycle will shrink to days and weeks, allowing production to move from purpose-built facilities to at or near the front lines. CET has been working with our partners and customers to quickly step through the design, produce, test, and iterate cycle during this SBIR, as well as in the other areas where we support the DoD. Analysis of the results of real-world testing has allowed us to improve and validate our FEA models and point to areas that need to be improved to accomplish deeper depths. We have used and rejected materials that testing proved to be unsuitable for the environment and altered our design approach for end caps and tubes based on the failure modes of tested units. Currently, we have successfully tested a 3D printed pressure vessel to over 900 meters of depth, providing a working depth of 600 meters with a factor of safety of 1.5. CET is currently in Phase 2, Option B of this SBIR. Over the next few months, we will improve the design and performance of our removable end caps, conduct cyclical testing of our 3D printed pressure vessel at 600 meters, and finalize the written procedures for printing our designs using readily available materials and printers. The benefits of using an additive manufacturing approach to the production of composite pressure vessels and other structures is the speed of production. However, having the upfront engineering with the FEA analysis to support the design efforts is critical to the success of this approach. As available materials and new additive technologies emerge, CET will incorporate the benefits into the material cards or processes to enhance and expand product offerings. In order to continue as a leader in introducing composite structures and innovative production options to the U.S. DoD, CET continues to expand our network of collaborators, partners, and supporters. In 2022, CET signed a cooperative research and development agreement with Oak Ridge National Laboratory to incorporate more robust additive manufacturing techniques and machines into our portfolio. Our work with Oak Ridge will allow our proven pressure vessel design to be manufactured with continuous carbon fiber material via robotic arms fitted with additive manufacturing heads. The procedures for translating the design to tool paths for the robotic arm will be vetted and proven during this process. Capturing and refining the procedures will allow CET and others to reliably reproduce the results. The pressure vessels made with Oak Ridge will then be tested using the same procedures as our current pressure vessels. This direct comparison of the optimized material and processes used at Oak Ridge against our proven design will allow CET to assess the benefits the advanced material and production methods provide. This effort will help inform our next steps in bringing increasingly capable and affordable pressure vessels and composite structures to the front lines. Pioneering a new approach to solving existing and emerging issues is exactly what this SBIR topic was for. Translating the lessons learned from decades of offshore sailboat design to the harshest environment on Earth provided a great opportunity to reset the expectations of composite performance at deep ocean depths. Proving the approach with a rigorous design, build, test, and iterate cycle clearly demonstrated the benefits of composite structures in meeting the unmanned vessel strategy of the United States Navy. To continue the transition of this technology to full production, CET seeks partners that are ready to present challenges and opportunities where an advanced composite solution and speed to market will provide a clear competitive advantage to your department or company. If you are interested in learning more about how advanced composites can provide a competitive edge to your mission, please reach out to Chase or Pat using the contact information on this slide. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much for watching.